Dress up. Please subscribe to my channel, Jamaica Walk By. Jamaica Walk By. Where you guys? Can you stop for a second? 1 second. I don't know, but since I don't know, but these beauties are just, oh my God. Your mommy? Is your daughter? And your sister?
Yep.
Oh, where's country are you from?
Louisiana.
Listen, I'm a YouTuber.
Okay.
And trust me, I'm trying to get to my 200,000 subscriber, right?
Okay.
So, with beauties like this, can I, your business owner, can I give you a good shout out on my platform?
Boss, ask us any questions about...
No. I showcase the natural love and I showcase the beauty. When I see the beauties, my camera was like, look there.
Like, nigga, turn.
Yeah, oh my word. Beautiful.
Thank you.
So beautiful. Oh my.
Okay, well, we're comedians. I'm the lady rebuild.
You're what? You are a comedian?
We have a show tonight at the Harlem in Harlem.
Alright, listen. What's your Instagram?
So
Listen, Pressure forward. Pressure come. It's like, me just feel what energy me like. Look on the lady, she start me camera the go on her.
You guys should come to our show tonight.
Tonight.
In Harlem, 10:30 tonight. St. Nicholas, Comedy in Harlem.
Oh my
It's the Big
word.
Body Benz comedy tour that we're on.
Wow.
yeah, man, I'm on my 3rd Instagram page. I promise I'm not gonna say nothing no more so I don't get shadow banned.
Oh my word. Let me find.
Get yours.
I wanna, yeah. Let me do this real quick. So my Instagram is Jamaica Walk By. I wanna find yours. You're on Instagram?
Yeah, I'm on Instagram.
Yeah.
I have a YouTube channel too.
You have a YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's show your YouTube out. So what kind of content you do?
I do different kinds of content. I'm either vlogging, making a hair video, doing...
So you got some of those comedian thing like mommy?
Yes, I do a lot of stuff.
Time, one love. Thank you for talking to me.
Thank you guys.
Oh my word.
Big Body Benz is her name.
Big Body Benz. Big Body Benz. Yeah, one love. That's them. They look good.
Fully outside.
We stand out.
Fully outside.
Look good now, man. The man go bandana around Eddie. I don't know anything go have on him colors his shirt. But look what go on.
Taste of Jamaica 876.
See Instagram, yeah.
Yeah, man, that
Look
is
good
it.
now, man. Watch out. Mad something now, man.
All right, thank you.
Touch it now, man. Big up and respect me, G. Chat you the far from?
Tower Hill.
Tower Hill.
Tower Hill.
That is it now, man. What go on around that pan? I can't see what go on. Blouse and skirt can look like gonna sell off already. Eh? Oh, you mean Jamaica Walk By in a them town like a me yard? Yeah, man, see, big up and respect every time for join. I don't know. Right now, I'm currently there on Martin Luther King Boulevard in Harlem. You understand? Harlem. You understand? Let me say it properly. Harlem. You understand? From a little me I hear about that place, I only see that place in a movies and bunch of things. So it's an honor, it's a blessing for actually can there for myself, if I represent for that place here. You understand? No joke, no doubt. Look good. It's beautiful. So right now, I see me I beg on 1,000 like on the video. And you wanna start watching it. You understand? No joke, no doubt. And if you know about Harlem, you're supposed to know when me there. Look good. Right over there, so you can see Dr. Martin Luther King Boulevard. You understand? So the sign them there. E125th Street. We there, you don't know, downtown Manhattan side. You understand? So it's a different side of Manhattan. And down as a Harlem. And we're going to walk the entire stretch. Go straight up. You understand? Look good. It's a vibe. And as usual, you don't know me there with me general them. Say, look good. We have GS and Gina. You understand? I'm a general them. You understand? No joke, no doubt. So, I beg you to look in the description below me. I beg you to. We are trying to turn up them subscribers. So, please, just for your support, just subscribe to them channel. The link in the description, just click it. And that's it. If you're new to Jamaica Walk By, please, I beg you to. You understand? Subscribe to the thing and turn on the post notification bell. You understand? So, you'll be notified every time I post a video. You understand? A Jamaican youth in a them place like a me yard. It's not a narrating video. We just go walk, show the place look like. You know what I mean? See if we can talk to a few people. We don't know what's gonna happen. You can't make up, you can't pretend, you can't do nothing to them video. What happened just happened. You understand? So look beside the subscribe button. You see that subscribe button, there's one little arrow. Click it and press all. Once you press all, you're gonna get the video them when we drop them. See? Mad love, mad respect. And let's do this. See? Well, I'm Harlem massive there. Well, I'm New York massive there. Let's do this. All of my Jamaicans, I'm gonna know where Harlem and them places look like. I phone a video this. So let's do this. Let's go. Oh yeah, the white man no band. Come across. Alright, so wanna know the thing go. So we are go straight so.
Straight ahead.
Gina, how many times have you been to Harlem?
Oh, I've been to Harlem many times. A lot.
How many times?
More than 10.
Alright.
Yeah. I used to go to school out here when I was in school. I went to school out here.
Mad thing there.
Yeah.
Look good now, man. Let's go. That's I never fulfill it. No, it's away there. Alright, so let's see what Harlem look like. So here it's terrible over here. You understand? We're here right now, the place dangerous. Even in the sick, we're there in the Burger King, the sick guys, they say, yo, no, be careful because the thing set away. I said, white man there. They said the thing set away over here, so we just be careful when we are walk and thing because drugs and all kind of things kind of take over the place a little bit. You understand? The place is not what it used to be. You understand? So, I love the vibe and I always want to see places like this. So, I go up on the road for sure now what it look like out of my eyes. You understand? No joke. So, big up to everybody. If you're new here, big up to all of my members, them too. One love in all aspects. You understand? And we're going to walk in Harlem. And let's enjoy the video. See? Remember, don't just watch. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Mad respect. See? Yeah. There's a pumpers in the street, bro.
Yes, I love the artwork too. The artwork.
Guys, kindly give the video a like, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Support it free.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
No, don't video. Don't video. Well, restrict your video.
Wait, this one? This one?
Yeah, they will. You catch me over there in Philly. Yeah. Worst thing that. Yeah. And then those videos don't get recommended.
Oh, right.
That's why we went up here.
Sometimes based on if you do it and there's like a tubes of substance in it, they can take the video down. The community guidelines.
Oh, okay. The paraphernalia.
Yeah, anything where because the most say it's illegal.
Okay. Yep. So, super beautiful, y'all.
This is the Metro North train station for Harlem. Smell like yo. Hey, Reza, bless his family. Yeah, I was just about to end the video. I'm like,
And just make sure nothing in there. Cause if them take it off, you know that's a strike.
been lucky to never have one of those.
Yeah, I'm getting that. Harlem. I want to see this. Just like in the movies, bro. So we're right underneath the railroad.
from the Real Black Army to come help out Black Lives Matter win.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Azim.
Hey, Azim, I'm Gina. That's Jason.
Hey, people.
And that's my family, Jamaica Walk By. We on YouTube.
Wonderful. Thanks for the
Yeah,
media.
this is my card, Jason and Gina.
That's okay.
When you get a chance, subscribe to the channel. That's Jamaica Walk By. So tell us a little bit about your project.
Walk By. Well, okay, well, it's very spiritual. But before the spiritual part, I'm a 1980s gang member.
Oh, okay, what gang?
Well,
if you want to say it.
we call ourselves the Alleyway
Oh, okay.
over in New Jersey.
Okay.
This is my backyard, like the movie Paid in Full. I was all around them areas of the movie at 14, 15, seriously. They made that movie about people like me.
Okay.
And so I really lived it. And we did not have no racist cops killing us back then either. Nowhere in the country. Blue Moon down south. I can't even count all my fingers on one hand. The rare times that happened in New York in the 80s. Maybe probably 3 times in the 80s. But see, back then things was different, okay? Like, you know, we outgunned the cops, okay? Like, we have more heart. We are, I'm 55. I am from, like, you know, I'm a baby from the Revolutionary era.
So let me ask you a question.
Yes.
How could someone go about joining this Black Army?
Okay, well, simply, right, it starts about we making some money together. But I do have the #1 brand, but like I say, it's very divine. I can't forget him. One in the sky let me sing while the woke gave this to me in a dream. All what he told me, check out the back.
Okay.
Got it? After the word original, should have had the and symbol and the word obeying. It should have read original and obeying people. But yes, and all he gave me was the basic meaning on the back. But it's all kind of, here goes some proof to back up what I'm saying is true. There are all kind of inner messages within the brand by letters on top of letters.
All right, so you know what I want you to do?
Yes.
You have my YouTube card.
Wonderful.
My
Instagram.
Instagram is Jason and Gina YT.
Yes.
Send me a message on Instagram.
And we definitely gonna go to
All right, it was nice meeting you.
And your name again?
Gina.
Gina.
I'm
Jason.
Gina.
And
Gina.
that is Jamaica Walk By.
Gina, Jason, Jamaica Walk By.
Yeah,
I
and
like
when
that
you know
name.
what?
That's
When
tough.
you hit me up on YouTube, if you forget, I'm gonna give you my brother's YouTube channel, okay?
Okay, people, look, in the first year, I'm in my 4th feet of social media. In the first year, this brought in 2.6 million likes.
Okay.
I'm out here broke as hell this, okay? He got my life really worked on some Jesus shit. Jesus had help. This is real divine. You ever see, like, when you pray, you are told to say, to act like you visualize him, right? Foresee him. When you pray, you're supposed to pretend like you're supposed to feel like you foresee him. Foresee him like me, foresee him when you're praying to him. Like when you're praying, you're supposed to act like visualize like you see him. In Islam, we call ourselves Akis, right? You got OKY, Aki. It's another way to spell Aki. I say he gave it to me in a dream. TCM, the creator made. There are all kind of things in here also, okay? But that I'm gonna let you go, but this is really
All right,
divine.
so you know what? Like I said, hit me up on YouTube.
Gina, right?
I'm Gina.
Gina.
Jason. Jamaica Walk By.
Okay, Gina from Martin now.
Hey, that's it. I'm about to tell you that. Damn, Gina.
Yo.
Yes.
Yeah,
It was
cool,
nice
man.
talking to you, brother. You
Listen,
Respect,
I
bro.
feel your energy. Your energy is booming.
Thank you.
That is it.
Make it happen, make it
Appreciate
happen.
you. Be
That's
safe.
it,
All right,
bro.
people, walk by.
Yeah, that
you,
is
man.
it. And him say just like everybody else say, walk by.
Cool.
Respect.
Are we locked in? It's building a black army. Wouldn't that be a beautiful thing, guys? Building a black army to protect our people. I hate cars like that. It's just noise for no reason. He gave me a Black Panther vibe.
It doesn't even look like how it.
In the house. Angel, I can't wait to meet you in person. Always support the channel. Shout out to my girl Angel. If you guys don't have Angel's picture, go over there and show her some love, guys. She was always here. This is customized catering specialist.
I didn't see you had one.
Angel is always here making sure that people don't go crazy in this chat. Thank you for all of my friends.
Look, we got the vegan food over here.
Okay, vegan food. Uptown.
Harlem.
Welcome, Grandmaster B. Grandmaster B. That name reminds me of Grandmaster Flash. Where you from, Grandmaster B?
Bless up, bro. Respect. What kind of oils are these?
Incense.
Yeah.
Do you have aloe incense?
Aloe.
Aloe. Oh, you only have the bitter incense? It's a specific one that I like. It's aloe. I don't see it. Oh, okay. What's your name?
Slim.
Oh, okay. Nice. You got a nice stand
Yeah.
over here. If you guys are on 120, what is this? 125th and Madison Avenue. Say your name again?
Suleiman.
Suleiman?
Yeah.
Suleiman.
Where you from?
I'm from Niger.
Oh.
Where?
Niger. I'm from Niger.
Nisha.
I see, I see all
Niger.
kinds of
Niger.
oil. Huh?
Yeah.
Nisha. Oh, that's different.
Niger.
I love your name.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just showcasing your stuff on YouTube.
Yeah,
So guys, if
yeah.
anybody is in this area, come check a brother out. He got the scents, he got some perfumes, he got that raw mango butter. Yeah, he's outside. Here's
You
my
want-
card, Jason and Gina. We on YouTube.
You wanna listen to the name of the oils? Listen. So we
Okay.
have Jay-Z Gold over there.
Oh wow, Jay-Z Gold.
Yeah, we
got,
have Beyonce right or so.
yeah,
You
sweet,
understand?
sweet nut.
We have a sweet nut. You think
Come to
you
me
think-
again.
Watch
Hey,
it.
come to me.
You think of that? Watch a Caribbean queen.
Polo sport.
Polo
Yeah.
Sport.
Mad.
Yeah. Apple Fantasy, that sounds nice. Pink Sugar, Black
Yeah.
Butter. All right, bro. Look,
There you go.
do your thing. Be safe
Respect.
out here, okay?
Thank you.
Take
Outside.
care.
Right in Harlem.
Huh? Yeah, Angel, I heard about Fat Man Scoop. Yes, I did. Rest in peace, Fat Man Scoop.
Yeah, I saw it on the news today.
Shame, man.
Say Fat Man
Everybody
Scoop
goes one
collapse.
beat, right here comes another one. Shame. I don't know what happened to him, but they said he collapsed, so bye. Take care, get help, guys. Yeah, me too, Angel. Like that's that old school right there. We put all the old school.
They could never know. And they would call it your name, huh?
No, I'm just saying, so you around here.
What's that? You have nice sleeves. That's a good price for a suit. Wow. Oh, wow. Look, if Lexi was here, look, baby, you can get Lexi some sweet treats. Look at
Tell them,
this.
man.
They have chocolate covered fruit, $10. That's not bad.
That sounds like some bedroom bully.
You leaving?
Yeah, but Harlem have nearby bushes. They escape in the nearby bushes.
What is your name? No parlez-vous français?
Oui, je parle français. Comment tu t'appelles où?
What language is that?
French.
French.
Comment tu t'appelles France?
Yes.
Ah, c'est un joli nom. Nice nom.
English?
Non, non, anglais, français.
No parlez-vous anglais?
Oui, non, non, tu parles pas anglais. Je parle français.
Okay.
Tu vis les
So Jason, you speak French?
Beautiful.
Gina, you speak French too?
Little bit.
C'est du bague et du bague.
Nice, mommy. Right here, take my card. I'm gonna walk back here. You gonna be out here?
Bon, d'accord, oui.
Yes.
All I want to say is,
Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
Et comment encore, non?
No.
Ton nom?
No.
Comment tu t'appelles encore? What's the name?
Gina.
Gina, oui, Gina.
Yes.
C'est un joli nom, Gina.
Yes.
Ok, merci, moi, Aram.
Arab.
Oui.
Beautiful name.
Oui,
Thank you,
moi,
mommy. You're
c'est
beautiful.
sénégalais.
you're beautiful.
Moi, je suis Sénégal.
Beautiful.
Oui, oui.
Nice.
Senegal.
Nice.
Yes,
God
yes.
bless you. You be safe
Okay,
out
thank
here.
you.
Yes.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
I love the outfit.
Ah, merci.
The outfit, nice.
Merci. Mais il faut arrêter les bracelets. Ah, il faut arrêter encore.
Nice. Come, let's go. Few seconds to go.
I did pay attention in French class a little bit.
That may I say?
A little bit.
Yeah. That was good.
When I used to work, the people used to speak French. So, oh my God, look at this dog. It is beautiful.
Pretty. Beautiful, man. I was wondering if it was real. It's a golden doodle.
A golden doodle, is it friendly?
Yes,
What's her name?
Tracy.
Hi, Tracy. Oh, Tracy, you are friendly, baby. Oh my God, it feels like yawn.
He's like, yeah.
Come meet Tracy. How much did she get me bigger?
I don't know. She's going. Tracy's excited right now.
Okay, just I'm in Brooklyn. I'm on YouTube. You guys are live.
Respect. So what you do?
Would you like that?
I can't play it. I don't know
You
how
want to look like we playing chess?
Man,
We want to look like you playing chess?
Is it chest like chest?
Oh, okay.
You guys always out here?
Majority of the time.
Man, okay.
What's that? It's a 9?
Yeah.
It's a big 9.
Look inside.
Aren't these nice?
Yeah, beautiful.
Come on, guys. We outside in Harlem. Let's go.
That is it.
Jamaica, yes.
Yeah, that's me.
I'm falling.
You falling?
I'm going
Touch it.
I got corn soup.
That is a corn soup.
I'm fine.
Come on. Corn soup.
Yeah, corn
Trinidad, we're from Trinidad.
Yeah.
That is it, man.
Yes, man.
See a yard man here?
Yes.
Pick up every time, no man. Blow, see that? Respect my bro. Full time, full time.
Yes.
Me on the video.
Yeah, say always watch it. Let me see so.
All right.
So you go on. I saw the need it in there. Soap in that igloo. Watch it steam.
Yeah, the corn soup, yeah. Look, check it out. And I put the piece to get it right.
You get it right?
Yes.
Man, you're a real chef, man.
Yes,
Big
man.
chef.
I spice.
That is it. What's your name?
Spice. Yeah.
Spice.
Yeah, man.
That is it, man.
Mother Spice here.
That is it. Mother Spice.
Two says.
So big up all Trinidad massive. You don't know Mother Spice out here in Harlem. I go on easy.
And big
And I
up
did it.
cartel. Gaza.
Ah, that's a teacher.
Yes.
That is it, though, man.
That is it.
Feel good, man. One love, you hear?
Yes, bless.
So yeah, cook. Big up every time, man. Outside. Yo, my teacher them, big up enough. Which are the yard of the part of? Stay down. You want to go to bed? Yeah, me do a video, me walk out the whole of Spanish Town. Yeah, man, I go through Garrison and man, sitting there with our drone and sitting there. Pretty. Nearly reach 1 million views. You need to see it, man. Let her go warm your heart. Jamaica walk by. Yeah, big up, bro. Man. Respect my teacher, man. Yard man. Blouse and skirt, man. Bag walk. Yeah, the yard just show up on you, bro. A Jamaica walk by, you see it? Mad thing, bro.
Kingston kitchen.
Ah, they messing up my live video, no man. Look good, no man. Yo, I win at them tone. We got just certain set over here now. You can just work. Yeah. You can just work. Look good. Well, no, say that make it business slow, you know. Alright. Feel like it's slow, but only can just come out and just. Big up every time, man. Real jazz. Chef.
Steamed vegetable.
Big up and respect, man. No joke. Outside, look like a Jamaican block this. Yeah, man, Jamaican, Trinidad, they fall from town. We are family, man. We are family. Straight. We are family, man. That is it. Kingston kitchen. A Jamaican and eat the jerk chicken.
Yeah, man, I don't know. Big up Jamaica walk by. You see
That
madness.
is it. One Jamaica walk by, brother. Respect. Man. Outside. That I mean, man. Respect. That is it, bro. Respect. Man. Kingston kitchen. Mad thing. That ends have a vibe, me not lie. Jerk chicken a beat right there, but I just show the music I play, me can't to stay there, but level up, exotics, raw. That ends ya lit. That ends ya lit. Just show the music I play, me can't stay there.
I know.
I tell you.
Move out the way.
Yeah. Any of the music they end up playing, I hold back a serious vibe, that's how they G them. So big up all like Trinidad massive them, you understand? Big up Trinidad. You don't know, we family. You understand? Yeah. And all of my Jamaican massive them. Big up to Mama Spice. That's her name. Mama Spice.
Mama Spice.
So big up Mama Spice over there from Trinidad. You understand? You know she there in Harlem, I go and beat up some soap and beer things. You see me? Also big up to Kingston Kitchen. Now that I see on the cart a while ago. Kingston Kitchen. You understand? And all of the Spanish Town massive them. You don't know it too general for out from Spanish Town. It was a vibe. Yo, you know, so that's so colorful and nice, man. Yeah. Caps. Man. Mad thing. Yeah. The colors just stand out. Crazy amount of cap. Man. Manners. Yeah. Oh, 99 cents. You're a YouTuber?
Yeah.
You're a YouTuber? Me too. I'm a Jamaica walk by.
Really?
Yeah, video me while I video you. How many subscribers you want to reach right now? Let me show you out on mine. I'm filming.
You can go to infinity and beyond. Really.
That is it, man. What's the name of your channel?
Kamari Holloway.
Kamari Holloway.
So guys, we
That's
out
it.
here with Kamari Holloway. Let's go. Go over there
right.
to the channel. What's your channel, sis?
It's Hobby TV.
In RBT. Oh, let me get that. Hold on.
Yeah,
Let's slow down. Slow down.
Hobby TV.
Yes, we all got
Hobby
tattoos.
TV.
Oh,
It's
that's
her birthday.
dope, ladies.
You see?
Oh, where's her? Ah, that is it.
Okay.
Man, that's
Happy
nice.
birthday.
All right, let me get a shout out to Instagram. What's it? So it's your birthday?
My birthday. Hobby
Happy
_
birthday
period.
to
Yes, that's how we do it. We
you.
spread love to Brooklyn right here.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
Sing it, bro.
to what's her name? What's her name?
Brittany.
Brittany. Happy birthday to
Let's sing it out from Jamaica,
you. Yes. Big up every time, man. One love. What's her Instagram?
Love y'all.
Hobby_.
Hobby underscore.
HALLB.
Oh, it's hobby. Hobby underscore. That is it. Spin a roll. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. That is it. Hey, it's your birthday. That is it, girl. That. Wait, a dancer. Yeah. So your Instagram too?
Kamari Holloway. I do food content and other things. Y'all can check out my Instagram or my YouTube.
It's live.
That is. I'm Jamaica Walk By.
Jamaica Walk
Yeah.
By.
So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take my phone out right now, and you're gonna find your YouTube channel. Let's connect, and we're gonna do it right here on camera.
I'm so mad y'all leaving. I would have told y'all to come to Brooklyn.
Listen, so find your YouTube channel. Let me get it on camera. I wanna subscribe to it so they can see it.
Yo, King Bear Blessings, fam.
It's me.
That's it. Subscribe. Turn on the notification bell.
Subscribe. It's on.
The arrow beside it.
Okay, I'm gonna go to hers.
The chat is screaming out happy birthday.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Birthday, that's all I see.
So we're streaming live, and I'm pre-recording right now too.
Okay, y'all see this is
All right,
Paul
let me catch
B's
this.
channel.
All right, let's turn on the notification.
Paul B TV. She does home renovations.
Man.
From Dallas, Texas, though.
Okay,
That's it.
That's
And Instagram.
Oh yeah, let's
Find
go
our
to
Instagram.
Instagram.
That's it right there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Paul B. Okay.
What you got on your Instagram? She bouncing on balls and shit. You be looking at booty.
Yeah.
That's
It's a
why.
vibe. Everybody get matching. Yeah. No joke. I like her smile. You be smiling all along since you've been walking down here. What was the joke up there?
Okay.
She was y'all was smiling and blooming. Did you find it?
I found
Oh,
it.
she found it.
Yeah, I want to make sure.
Oh, you want to see?
Oh, this is
That's
it.
okay. That's Brittany's.
That's Brittany's. You find yours?
And then
That was yours.
that's me.
All right.
That is it. Same
And we're
as
gonna
it.
connect to you too.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is it.
Don't worry,
Look
we
how
got
girl
you.
come on. Look how girl nice. Look there. Look good. Look how girl nice. Look how girl. Whoa. Look there. Look.
Dolly.
Look there.
Dolly.
Dolly. What's Dolly?
Look at Dolly.
Ah, look good.
That's a content creator.
My thing. That is it. Love it. We got yours.
I got to take your
You got.
Okay.
All right. So I'm Jamaica Walk By. So you're gonna find hers. So I can tag you guys. Yo, you're not saying nothing, bro. Come on. Where's your tattoo?
I don't have one. I just got it.
Oh, I just.
tattoos.
Oh, you just reached.
Got tattoos though.
That is it, man. Know what I mean? That's it. I like the unity. I like the love.
Yeah, Lexi, we in Harlem, man.
Love the outfit too. Watch out the pants bevel down.
Okay.
Yes.
This
Oh,
is the business page.
you
Okay.
mean? Figure that.
And she does.
Watch the here.
I'll be definitely.
Wanna have a different swag, man.
BNDC.
Yeah. All right, so I got y'all. So mad love, mad respect. Right, I'm trying to reach my 200,000 on
gonna hit it
YouTube.
this weekend.
So we want to hit that by this weekend. Yeah.
Yes.
Jamaica Walk By. Mad thing, man. So wanna keep being real. That is it.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm here. That is it, man. That is it. That is it. That is it. One love. Harlem. Wanna see some loads of beautiful ladies over here, man. Ting. Hey. Oh, you mean? Figure that. Man.
Y'all be safe out here.
Yeah, man.
Y'all be safe.
Yep, that's it.
I'm so sorry. I guess. Okay.
Nice.
Oh, Lexi, thank you. I try. Nice hats, huh?
Network and connect in the flesh.
Steakhouse.
King Bear, what's up, brother? King Bear, I just try to go with it, bro. That looks good.
Nah, that me I say, man. Respect.
How much you gonna pay?
Huh?
Money, right? Gotta give us some money, right?
That is it.
I think it's a pedophile, bro. I ain't following that nigga, bro.
Only in Harlem, guys. Only in Harlem.
Take a
This
set down here.
125th and Malcolm X Boulevard. This is the real deal. Look, she passed out. She on some dope over there, guys.
Where do you see that? Oh, I'm glad.
Good evening, good evening. Yo, Frank, we're going to go over there. Frank, dinner.
You walking back this way, right? I'm gonna start up.
Come, let's go.
Jason. Gina. I'm not sure if I text me, so I'm not sure that I'm getting on my
Oh, you know what? I can wait. It expires on the first. Oh, wait, it's tomorrow, right?
I'm going to contact you.
Yeah.
Huh? I got a book of mine now. She gave him 20 for this. That's when I come back. I can force him with soap.
Some other details.
It'll be like 8 to 8.
What are we doing, sir? So you can take a videos and pictures without anybody's permission, my boy.
Hey, bro, you're out in the street, bro.
I don't want to hear shit from you. Please walk away. Walk away. Walk away. I don't care what you're saying.
So, so then give them the money and they purchase the ticket. Where'd you go with?
It ain't about me moving.
time again. You were so good.
African square. White man. Guys, look at green.
You are stupid.
Maybe we're going to cross the street so you can say that.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you for that, Robin.
Oh yeah, massive. We just a walk in a Harlem. Just a bunch of everything I want. Bunch of things. But you don't know. We just want a video if you just go on. We are set up in the vibe where you can get to see the real place, you know? That way.
I will look for you, right? Guys, we are approaching the famous, world famous Apollo Theater. We have had the pleasure of going to the theater.
Real art. Look at this art.
Look at this. This is beautiful art. I love it. Beautiful. Where you from? Guinea.
Guinea.
Nice, nice.
Wow, guys, so it's coming up 25th.
Beautiful artwork from Guinea. What's your name? What's your name, brother?
Everywhere.
What's your name? Usman. Nice to meet you. Yes. 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 You're on YouTube. So we showcasing your stuff on YouTube. This is my husband, Jason. Up here.
Beautiful. African sister. That is it, man. Jamaican, you know?
How much your earring? Are they stainless steel?
Goldfield.
Goldfield. Okay.
I'm from Jamaica.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, Jamaica Walk By. YouTube channel, you know?
I'm from Senegal.
Senegal. Big up from big up our Senegal massive, you know? One love here.
Okay.
That is it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, man, one love.
I prefer stainless steel earrings. Yes, we can. Kamala Harris. That's right.
Harlem. Party. Respect, respect. So the famous Apollo Theater. Man. This is the legendary Apollo Theater. Marty. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my God. Let's up security. Man, I was just looking. Wow. But did have to go in there. Can't come at Harlem and can't come at Harlem and not even get to step in a Apollo.
Oh, the Apollo was right there.
Yeah, but me I said me just have to step in all of them places.
We went to the amateur night there. It was nice.
Yeah. This is the theater, right?
This is the theater.
That's the
So this one is which one?
I'm supposed to be shopping.
Is that?
Nice.
So is that?
What's your name?
I got it wrong. So this one, oh, it's actually Victoria's, right?
Yeah, Victoria.
Man. Me did really think of it. Man, I see. Yardman style, whole Caribbean machine. This thing. Yeah, me swear think of the Apollo Theater. Oh, it's actually Victoria's for real. Victoria, so they say it's a hotel. I'm like, no, somebody have to go into that. So, I say I can step in a Apollo Theater.
Get your flags, get your flags.
That is it, man. Yeah. Black life, man.
We're from Brooklyn.
Which part you stop there? Which I tell you? Which part you there? Where Shoutout them?
We over here, we selling shop,
Man.
stuff. Of course, Caribbean flags and hats and all the tropics, all the tropical stuff.
Are you guys gonna be at the parade?
I won't be at the parade, but I'm here to
Everybody from the parade.
That is it.
Stuff from here. That's
Yes.
right, guys.
Guys, so
Give me that exact location you got.
it's in front of Apollo.
Oh, guy, what's your name? Karen. Hey guys, this is Karen from Harlem, and she is right by the Apollo Theater. Check this out. Look, she got the flags, she got the earrings, she got the hat. She representing every nationality. Jamaica, Haiti, Grenada. I'm from Alabama. I don't see Alabama, but that's not Caribbean.
That's American.
Right. So you guys on YouTube Live. Say hi, hello to the live. This is the beautiful Karen. That's right. What's your name? Tracy. So beautiful ladies out here in Harlem, guys, showing us some love from Brooklyn. That is Jamaica Walk By. He is straight from Jamaica.
That is it.
Hey.
We're family, man. Right across the board.
We're on YouTube, so if you watch YouTube, could you kindly subscribe to my brother Jamaica Walk By? I'm Gina, Martin and Gina. That's my husband Jason. That's my card. Yeah, show us some love, guys. We love it out here in Harlem. These ladies are beautiful, no problem. Guys, come check them out. Right by the Apollo.
Respect. That
Support
is
is free,
it.
guys. Come
Amen.
through. Come show them love.
Yeah. Massive, I'm a...
Look, Michael Montano live. What's that? Tonight?
Oh, wow.
Bro,
If I would have known that, I would have got some tickets.
I'm having a deja vu.
Look, Michael Montano right here.
Yo, look at that.
Look, guys, Michael Montano.
Gladys Knight. Baby Fierce.
I know I'm not going to show them.
Aretha Franklin.
Oh, yeah, look at the
Little Richard. Stevie Wonder.
Etta James.
James. That's fine.
Lionel Richie.
Red Fox. Yardbird. Charlie Parker. There are loads of them. That is it, man. The Temptation.
So ladies, y'all know, guys, look.
Temptation. With Prince. This is your artist, this. Prince. Man. The Apollo Theater. This is super nice. Yo, yard man. Make sure you're not lucky, no, come here forward, you know. That is it. Yo. Oh God, man. But me now, I know over here, me I go there. I know over here, me I go there.
Oh, yeah, got it.
Me I go there over Brooklyn. Yeah, cause I don't know Labor Day parade and base, yeah, bro. Apollo Theater. So right now you don't know, say anyway, we yard man them, they look good.
Fully outside.
We stand out.
Fully outside.
Look good now, man. The man go bandana around head. You don't know a thing go. Have on him colors, his shirt. But look what go on.
Taste of Jamaica 876.
See Instagram, yeah.
Yeah, man. That
Look
is
good
it.
now, man.
Right by the Apollo Theater, y'all. Taste of Jamaica.
Oh my word. Look at the menu. Jerk chicken, jerk pork, oxtail, curry chicken, fish. Look good now. All meal served with rice. Blouse and skirt. Watch out. Mad something, man.
Alright, thank you.
Touch it now, man. Big up and respect me, G. Chat you the far from?
Tower Hill.
Tower Hill.
Tower Hill.
That is it now, man. What go on run that pan? I can't see what go on. Blouse and skirt can look like gonna sell off already. Eh? Oh, you mean Jamaica walk by in them town like a me yard? Oh, you mean?
Jamaica walk by.
Anyway, my colors them there, now, man. Look good now, man. When I think of pram push, look good. So big up on yourself, yo, bro. Some peace and thing, mad love and respect. Jamaica walk by here.
Yeah, man.
That is it.
It's a YouTube.
Yeah, my YouTube.
Where name?
Jamaica walk by.
Jamaica walk by.
Yeah. Look fit, please. Man. That is it. You know where chap go. Yeah, my teacher, big up. So massive within Harlem. If you watch this far and you not subscribe, oh my word, me don't know what go on. So please, my beg you, subscribe to your channel. Turn on the post notification so you're notified when I post a video, you see me? I just straight vibes and thing. You know what I mean? Because they all go through because I'm kind of worse. So me talk and think my voice kind of hurt, you know. So I try cool it off, you see me? That's up. Please subscribe to my channel, Jamaica Walk By. Jamaica Walk By. Where you guys? Can you stop for a second? 1 second. Listen to me. I don't know, but since I don't know, but these beauties are just, oh my God. Your mommy? Is your daughter? And your sister?
Yep.
Oh, where's country are you from?
Louisiana.
Listen, I'm a YouTuber.
Okay.
And trust me, I'm trying to get to my 200,000 subscribers, right?
Okay.
So, with beauties like this, can I, your business owner, can I give you a good shout out on my platform?
Yeah.
You look like a boss, man.
Ask us any questions about
No. I showcase the natural love and I showcase the beauty. When I see the beauties, my camera was like, look there.
like nigga turn.
Yeah, oh my word. Beautiful.
Thank you.
So beautiful. Oh my. Oh, you're gorgeous. They're YouTubers as well.
Okay, well, we're comedians. I'm the Lady Rico.
You're what? You are a comedian?
We have a show tonight at the Harlem.
Alright, listen. What's your Instagram?
So I am the Lady Rico. That's MELADYRICO. I also have 10 movies on Tubi that I also produce. So if you can't check me out.
Listen, pressure forward. Pressure come inside. We just feel what energy me like. Look on the lady, she start me camera the go on her.
Our show tonight. In Harlem, 10:30 tonight. St. Nicholas, Comedy in Harlem.
Oh my
word. It's the Big
word.
Body Benz comedy tour that we're on.
Wow.
Okay.
It's great, man.
Wait, I put it up on Instagram.
Okay, and I'll follow back for sure.
Absolutely. And
Trust
I'm
me.
comedian Kiera Benson from Charlotte, North Carolina. Come see us. Come check us out.
Here she is, me Lady Rico. Just follow her Instagram.
Yeah, man, I'm on my 3rd Instagram page. I promise I'm not gonna say nothing no more so I don't get shadow banned.
Oh my word.
Get those followers.
So listen, hold on, let me find.
Get yours.
I wanna, yeah. Let me do this real quick. So my Instagram is Jamaica Walk By. I wanna find yours. So,
No, I gotta help you out. Let me help you out. So real quick, here,
yeah.
right there, bam. You just tell us to
Oh yeah, you smart. Yeah, take find it. Oh my word. What? You're on Instagram?
Yeah, I'm on Instagram.
Yeah.
I have a YouTube channel too.
You have a YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's show your YouTube on.
My YouTube is just Kel. A little up and coming. My Instagram is Queen Kel. That's QBEN Kel _.
Wow, that's it.
Yep, that's about it.
Yeah, so what kind of content you do?
I do different kinds of content. I'm either vlogging, making a hair video, doing.
So you got some of those comedian thing like mommy?
No, I do a lot of
Oh yeah, this is you. Yeah, I'm gonna follow you. Huh?
You ever come to Houston?
I've never. It's my second time, well, third time in America.
Oh,
yeah.
You speak good English.
No, I mean I'm buffling right now. I'm struggling, like really struggling. A lady told me that my patois isn't good. A lady said my patois isn't good because I'm speaking too proper. Oh my word! So you guys are out to this comedian one more time. One love. Thank you for talking to me.
Thank you, guys.
Oh my word!
Big Body Benz is her name.
Big Body Benz. Big Body Benz. Yeah, one love. That's it. Oh my word! They're nice. So what happened is that when she come across, like she saw the camera, so she was taking some pictures.
I saw.
Yeah. So I'm saying that the way her smile, she gave me a smile, so you could just tell by the way she looked at me like this is a person who used to camera. So when they passed, I turned and I looked at her and she smiled again. So I'm like, no, I'm stopping them.
Yeah, you gotta say something.
Yeah. So I love that it connected that way, and super friendly, and that is great.
Not look like no mother. She looks good.
Yeah. So this is her Instagram. You know, I'm gonna put it on the screen. Wow, that was so cool.
That was.
Yeah, that was really cool, man.
This kind of thing just mesh.
Yeah, listen, you'll never know who you're gonna see or anything,
You
man.
might bump into.
Right. Man. So they're saying, oh, Gina Detour. What did they say the show is gonna be? Where the
It's
show?
a comedy show
The
tonight in Harlem.
In Harlem.
Yeah.
When you say Harlem, we're walking Harlem now.
Well, around the corner from here, like.
Oh, it's an actual place named Harlem?
No. It's an actual place. It's a comedy center.
Oh. Man, I would definitely want to hear them give some jokes.
Me
or
too.
something.
And the one in the black and green.
Yeah.
She's the headliner for tonight.
She's the headliner.
Yeah.
Let me find her page. Oh, Gina. Oh, you catch up. I wanted to find her page so we can showcase it. All right, so this is her page.
Why you gonna serve Mike bothering me?
Follow them, please follow them. This is their page, so you can pause the video and screenshot it. Look for it. This is her. You can see she loved the gym. A mad thing. She loved the gym. She always a workout. It look like. Yeah, and the headliner for tonight's show. And yeah, this is her. So you can pause the video and follow them. That's the Instagram. And yeah, I wonder if I can play a few of the jokes. So this is them on stage. So she do comedy videos and stuff. I think.
Yeah, bro, I saw that. That went just fucking. Damn.
So if I can see the posters for the show,
Right.
it's gonna be crazy.
Yo.
Man.
Woo, guys.
So I wait on the
Wait for the white man.
right man.
Oh, Rihanna, you never been to the U.S.? Okay.
Fit.
Mike, we are on, who we at? 125th St. Nicholas, Mike. She working out.
So serious workout, Shadow.
She know what she's doing. She out here being cute.
Oh, see them here? You guys have me searching for the spot. I'm filming and I'm searching for it. Oh my word. And look there they go again. I'm actually searching for the spot. That look like a, you know why I'm telling you? You can see how she that watch over her. You know that, no, you know that like the mother watch over there.
I love your outfit. If it wasn't Labor Day in Brooklyn, I sure would have come back for that show. I love
Over
comedy.
8 million people in the building.
Oh, these some nice
I've always seen it on TV, but I never really check out
You never
one.
been to a comedy show? Oh man, next time you come back, we gotta take you.
You know that little restaurant down here, I see them in a sit down and people on the side.
yes.
I was just seeing it on
We used to
TV.
do that when we first met each other. We used to do that.
I think it's supposed to be mad cool. That would have nice of me and Lexi go.
Yeah, it would be nice.
You
Yeah.
missed her earlier. She was on camera.
Oh, shoot.
Oh. Yes.
Sana. 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 No. I'm in Harlem. In America. It's time. Oh, hold on. No. Me still can deal with it. I'm not ready to start because time kind of mess up on my side. What time is it now? Right. All right, so no want to start. Let me try see if I can organize it. You hear me? No, him not happy. No man, him not happy, but me can push it forward. That's anytime I'm ready to start. We're no good. No man, he good man. Anytime I'm ready to start, him can start, but him can't start now because I'm not deal it. I'm not gonna deal it. So when him ready, him just deal with it. Alright, cool. Yeah, that was cool. Let me deal with something real quick. This is it? This is it?
If you want to go,
alright, let me just go. I just want to go around the corner. Yeah, just to show them a little bit of where people live. So this is Morningside Avenue, or Morningside Avenue. Yeah. Oh. Wow.
Yo, Mike, rain don't stop nobody, man.
Sure don't. It's just water with your clothes on. Just taking a shower with your clothes on. That's it.
Don't worry. Send me
You want me to buy your bottle?
Gina, let's keep it straight. Yeah, what?
Okay.
Just look at it. Yeah.
Well, this is a beautiful cake place. Look at this. Make my cake.
Turn the camera, cool.
Look at this, guys. Make my cake. I love it. Bakehouse. This is beautiful. You see how comfortable I look holding it, right? You want some water? Want some water?
This is one of the firehouses. Yep, what's up? Mike, you better not flop. You better come through on Monday. This is General Grant Houses. Far from a GoPro, look. Fabian got the little setup. See, guys? Work never stopped for this man. John, we are in the USA right now. In New York City, in Harlem.
Got the hardware.
Go make a way.
I can't. No. Harlem. It's alright, Robin, no worries. She had some food deliveries. Look, Dominican beauty style. No, it's not expensive. It's a pretty good deal.
What? Oh no, Mike, I was looking for a store so I can get some water. I wanted to go to the store, but I can't find the store. Okay, I found one. Here you go.
Run past the music real quick. Yes, guys. We are in Harlem. Shout out to my brother, Jamaica Walk By. Big up yourself every single time. Yes, Amy Rules. They have a lot of good soul food restaurants out here. So we're approaching Amsterdam Avenue and 125th. Beautiful Harlem, guys.
You told them what country you were in?
Yeah.
And that chicken was not even expensive. It was $10, which is a good deal. Send some to my house, Robin. My Holy King. No, the chicken was actually a good price. It was 2 pieces of chicken, a side, and cornbread for $10. So I thought that was absolutely great. Oh, you used to work in Harlem. Are you from New York? Oh, we just gonna take a seat right here. Where's baby?
He's setting something up right now.
Oh wow. Mike said it at the same time I said it. Where's Fabian? It is only 5:54, y'all.
So guys, as you know, this is pretty much the end of 125th Street.
Tino Towers. Okay, from Brooklyn. Alright.
Oh, it's from Brooklyn?
There goes the bro.
Neil, you have to run in the stream, right? Yeah, run in the stream. Yeah, me there for it. Run in the stream right now. If you're not running the stream now, you're not going to go live again because you're not going to get a chance to do it. You said it a while ago? Well, let's hope it down. Let's hope it down. Yeah? Well, better not. Hope say that. Yeah, hope say that now. Alright, check it. Everything good? Look at your hand. Yeah, I'm going to change it now. Let's hope so everything alright, isn't it? Hold on, let's try. No man, you're good man, I just say tell me I'm gonna try to change. Alright. So yeah.
$3 for a small cup of coffee.
So yeah, massive big up and respect. You don't know that was Harlem. You understand? Jason and Gina, I want to learn from today.
Yo, Harlem was a vibe, bro.
Yeah, I was a little shocked at the situation with the substance abuse. It was really bad, but I mean, you know, keeping those people in prayer, hoping that they get some help. But other than that, Harlem was a vibe. I loved it.
This was a great tour, bro.
Yeah.
And you got a lot of love.
They show love like Brooklyn, so I like it. It was better than he's smiling. Yeah, we show love in Brooklyn. You know that, right? You from Brooklyn? That's right. That's right.
Is it?
Brooklyn everywhere,
Yeah,
guys.
yeah.
Heavy
So,
Brooklyn.
if I had to pick and choose, I'm gonna say Harlem
Harlem.
over the Bronx. Yeah.
So if I had to choose between Bronx and Harlem, Harlem all day. Definitely.
Yeah, Harlem.
That is it.
Brooklyn first, but then Harlem. Yeah.
Man. So, you don't know, close off.
Yes.
Guys, so if you haven't subscribed to my brother Jamaica Walk By's channel yet,
Kindly do so and subscribe to Jason and Gina. We outside. We outside. We about to walk back to the train station. Hit Brooklyn up. Where we gonna end up? Who knows? But all I know is that we outside, guys.
don't forget to like,
Share,
comment, and
subscribe to the channel, guys.
Man.
We outside.
That is it. So yeah, massive, you don't know, that was a great walk of Harlem, you understand, over here. I mean, I tell you, it was just great. It was a vibe, as you can see, the place is beautiful. You understand? Yeah, so you watch thus far and you love the vibe, subscribe to the thing. Big up to everybody who we get to talk to today. You know, the actor them, you know, every beautiful ladies in the street. Big up to yourself. Big up to all of the man them too. You don't know a thing going on. We outside. Big up to all of my Jamaican them when we talk to. You understand? I respect and heart I love. You hear that? So please, in the reach of my voice, if you watch this part and a like, please may I beg you like the video. Drop some comment and share your thoughts. Zin? That is it. No joke, no doubt. All of them were there and it was a great. We get to see the Apollo Theatre. You don't know, Victoria, we get to see that too. We get to see a whole heap of place, and it was the first time for me over here in Harlem, and I personally love it because he's a man I love to experience new places and do new things and meet new people. You understand? All of my voice gone, so I'm not really talk much in another video anyways. You see it? So respect, one love, and road to 1 million subscribers in. That is it. Super respect. And thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. You hear that? No joke, no doubt. Look good. Yeah, man.